This is Aaron from runsite0.net, and here we are. I just got this recently from this brand called CRKD, and this is the ATOM controller. So this is actually a collectible controller, and this is not going to be a long review. Rather, this is going to be a short and sweet review. We'll just proceed with the unboxing to see how it looks like. So this is the box of the ATOM actually, and as you can see, this is actually the look of the controller, and this is really small. However, it houses all of the buttons. You see, all of the shoulder buttons are here, the ZR and R, as well as the ZL and L. And when it comes to the compatibility, this is actually compatible with Windows, with Mac, with Linux, and it uses Bluetooth as the main point connection to actually connect to your PC, your Mac, or even your mobile device over here, like this Vivo V40. So, and by the way, it looks so coincident. This is purple, and this phone is purple as well. So, like I mentioned, it uses Bluetooth connection to actually connect to any of your mobile devices, or even your laptops, or even your PC. So when it comes to charging, you do have a USB-C port over here that support charging as well. And because this is so small, it actually can use it as a keychain to actually clip it on your bag, on your laptop bag, at the side, on your keys and whatnot. So let's just dive into further what you have inside. So you do have a lanyard, a small keychain lanyard whereby you can just put it over here. There's actually a lanyard slot over here, but I'll just put it aside. This is a very short USB-A to USB-C port, whereby you can use it for charging as well. Oh, hey, look, there's actually a user manual that actually tells you, all of the buttons and functionality. But it is actually very simple. To turn it on, just press this button, and it will have a light there. It's standing by. And then if you press it longer, you can go into pairing mode, whereby you can pair into your new devices. So it's a very simple looking controller. Let me just show you a demonstration on how I connect it to this Android phone over here, which is the Vivo V40. Now let me just go to the Bluetooth, or Bluetooth settings. There, it will be identified as a Pro controller, since in mine, the CRKD ATOM is actually fully compatible with Nintendo Switch actually. So let's just pair this up. There you go, pair. And it's connected. So let's just use Vampire Survivor as an example. And as you can see, I can actually move around. And the latency is fairly low if you ask me. Enough with all of the button responses. And as you can see, I'm actually playing Vampire Survivors. And it actually responds pretty real time, I would say. Now, how fun it is. Just by pairing this small controller, you literally can have your gaming anywhere on almost any devices. Now I'm talking about not just your laptop, not just your PC, as long it has Bluetooth. It also connects to your mobile devices, your tablet, fully compatible with iOS and also Android. So that's pretty much about it on this quick review of the CRKD ATOM. Now talking about the price, it is actually priced at 19.99 US dollars, 20 USD, and you can get this nifty device. And it is also available in the same design but different colors to it. You know, this is actually a collectible controller. If you want to collect all, it's up to you. But I'm here to actually show you how great and how small this controller is. Let's just say that I'm not sponsored by CRKD. CRKD sent in this device to me to have a short review and experience of this controller. So that's pretty much about it from me. And if you like this video, please subscribe and like our video. And I shall see you in the next one.